What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back, and y'all, I'm not about to be Miss Crusty Dusty today, boo. Honey. Hold on, y'all. Okay, today we are back with another video, and we have only so many left of these beautiful unboxings. I'm so sad, but we're gonna try to be happy, you guys. Okay, some good things must come to an end. Hold on, y'all. I'm not even talking to the mic. I'm actually trying to find me a napkin. This is a napkin I was using yesterday, so it's looking like it'll work to me. Okay, so let's go ahead. Today we're unboxing day 22. I'm excited. I'm so scared. I don't want to finish unboxing everything. Okay, I'm going to try to stop having a tantrum over here. So day 22, it is a mini. Oh, it's a beautiful navy blue. Oh my, look at it. It's so cute. It's called Wish Map. Oh my gosh, it's called Wish Map. It is so cute. I'm loving this name. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been so blessed to expand my my Madam Glam mini gel polish collection. This is adorable. Okay, hold on. We know that 23 is a big box, but okay, 24 is right there. And then we got 25, which is over at it's like a card or something. I have never even tried to pull it out of fear that I would ruin it, so I couldn't snoop. So I think this might be another mini. I'm thinking it might be like a glittery mini or something like that, because remember they gave us that glittery gel polish right here. So I don't know, but thank you again so much to Madam Glam. As you guys know, you can always save 30% on your Madam Glam purchases with my discount code GoddessNails30. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so that you can ring the notification bell and be notified every single time I upload. We're going to be unboxing 23, 24, and the prized 25 on Christmas Day. And I love you guys so much. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you liked it. And I don't know what's not to like, honey. Okay, y'all. I showed you guys on Instagram, but I gotta show you. Look at my stuff. I still need to give this snowman a hat, but other than that, and I think I gotta top coat the antlers, but other than that, aren't my decals literally so cute? We got our baby Jesus over here or whatever. So I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I don't know. I didn't do good on the eyes on the snowman. But I kind of like it. It looks hilarious, but I kind of hate it. So I don't know what to do about that. But what do you guys think of my 3D nail art that I decorated? You guys know that we are going to have the Goddess Gang shop coming soon for all of our illustrious Goddess Gang members. And finally, since I have finished these and I'm going to decorate my nails, then I can take them off and I can get onto my blog, because I really need to be on there, you guys. I have to update you guys on so much stuff, and we are walking into 2023 and we are definitely coming in for everything with our name on it. So I love you guys so much. Drop that Goddess Gang hashtag in the comments down below. This is a Goddess Gang video cue, and so I want you guys to drop a gingerbread in the comments. There is a gingerbread man emoji, right? Let me double check, because it's been a minute. Hold on. Let me see. I can't tell y'all to do that, and then sometimes the emojis change. Hold on. Gingerbread man. Can we get a gingerbread man? Hold on, y'all. This is terrible. There's no gingerbread man. Okay. I thought there was an emoji of a gingerbread man. All right. Well, then let's just do a fortune cookie. Drop a fortune cookie in the comments down below. The first person to drop a fortune cookie as soon as you hear this cue is eligible to win prizes in my giveaway. You guys, I'm going to be updating everything about my giveaway now that I finally have gotten through the month of December, and I'm literally so proud of myself. Thank you guys so much for being here on my journey with me. Thank you for sticking it out with me and everything that we do together. I'm really looking forward to the journey, and I'm just so excited and I'm so thankful. And tell me what you guys think of these down below. I'll give you guys an example. Hold on. So for example, or whatever. Alright, so we got our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna freak out. Okay. And we got our snowman. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. We got our baby Jesus. We're gonna put baby Jesus over here somewhere. Wholesome or whatever. Aw, baby Jesus. Where's baby Jesus fit? Oh, this one. So cute. I'm going to put baby Jesus right there probably. And then I want to have the cross there too with him. Like that. Oh, I'm so excited. And then I got my mini gingerbread man. I almost wish I had more middle fingers because I want all of them to go on my middle finger. I don't know. Where does this go well? And then mini ones. This is literally so much fun. Okay, I need to stop. And I know my nail set really don't match at all, but that was kind of the theme that I was going for, was like, I wanted it to be pretty tacky and like, oh my gosh, what the heck did she do? Like ugly sweater nails, you know? I don't know if that makes sense, but that's definitely the vibe that I was going for. And I can't wait to, oh yeah, and I want to try these too. Hold on. I can't wait to start gluing this stuff on. So I'm going to have to figure out, I'm probably going to have to clip these a little better. And then glue them on. Yeah. That's cool. I don't know if I'll use them or how I'll use them. I don't know about that. But I need to get some super small scissors because I have small scissors, but I need super small scissors for this stuff. And so, yeah. Anyways, and then our mini reindeer. I'm so excited. Mini Rudolph. Baby Rudolph. Aww. Yeah, I'm super excited, you guys. I need to get off of here. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoy your day. I will be keeping you guys updated. This video decorating these nails is going to be separate from the creation of the nails because I use nail forms. It was a pretty long process, but I want to show you guys how to create your nails using nail forms. And if you guys like these 3D nail decals and you would like to see me create some sometime, let me know. Drop a comment down below. And you guys, I probably told you already, but I even made the snowman furry, like fuzzy, like, oh my gosh, they're textured. Okay, I gotta go. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you next time. I'll holla. Peace.